Hi, it's Hannah with WTI. Look at these beautiful dishes. This says by 21st in Maine, and it makes me so happy. So it comes with a dinner plate, a dessert plate, and a bowl. And I love that the dessert plate is a little bit different. It just adds a little extra flair to it. So no matter what I have put on these dishes, I think they just look so pretty. So this is the mod blue one, and it is just a really pretty blue color. They are microwave and dishwasher safe, which is always important in our house. I also really appreciate that you can get these with or without the coffee mugs, because I always felt like it was such a waste because I would get sets with the mug and then I would never use those because I like having my cutesy little mugs. So this, I just get the plates and the bowls, and it's actually the things that I use. They're chip resistant, which is really nice since we have kids. So if you're in the market for some really pretty ceramic dishes, this set is so pretty. I love every time I set the table, and this set just looks so nice on our table. It makes me feel like I really have my life together and our dinner looks extra pretty and presentable. And that is my point of view.